We've been getting to know Miss DeSoto Heritage Lauren Nielsen, who is preparing to compete in the Miss Florida pageant. Well, Lauren is a popular performer here on the Suncoast, and as part of her platform, she mentors other young performers as well. Joining Lauren is 9-year-old Lily Wheeler performing The Call by Celtic Woman. Take it away.
Sometimes in this life we hear calling from somewhere. Sometimes it is loud and clear. Sometimes it's so softly there. When we have no dance to dance, the call is in a song. When we have no voice to sing, the call is calling strong. Open your heart, I am calling you. Right from the very start, your wounded heart was calling to.
That's Lily Wheeler with Lauren Nielsen. Miss DeSoto Heritage. You can follow Lauren's journey to Miss Florida on Facebook, Miss DeSoto Heritage 2018. See her work with Lily and her other little princesses. Coming up next, get out your calendars. Cliff Rolls is here with the best Suncoast events coming up in April.